Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the same topic, that is determiner. Okay, and in our last one class we have seen the uses of some common articles, and there we have begin the uses of a and an. Okay, so today we are going to continue the same topic here, uses of a and an. Okay, so let's see the next one use. The next one use is we use a before a okay, before before the word, before a word begins with begins vowel, begins with vowel, but has, या फिर simply you can write down vowel having a consonant sound, having a consonant sound. Means here I want to say you that here while using a or an, simply understand that before using a or an, you must try to pronounce that word, that noun, twice or thrice or more than that, just to understand what is the beginning sound. As I told you, the use of a or an is basically depend on the beginning sound of that noun. So here same thing, here it is said there are many words in English, which are begun with vowel, but in actually they are having consonant sound, in such cases, okay, we have to use okay, before a word begins with vowel but having a consonant sound. Okay, that is what I want to tell you. And there are many words in English. For example, I saw a one-eyed man. Okay, so what should be there? Either a or an. Look at there, I saw blank one-eyed man. So here the use of a or an depends on the beginning sound of this word. One. So here you must know O, it is vowel O. Yes, A E I O U. These are vowels. But dear guys, I would like to tell you again and again that the use of a or an does not depend on the alphabet, whether it is vowel or consonant. Actually, the use of a or an depends on the beginning sound, not the alphabet. Yes, based on, or it depends on the sound. So here you just pronounce this word one. So when you write it one, okay, what is it? W. The beginning sound is w. And as we know that w is consonant. So what would be there then? I saw a one-eyed man. Okay, so that is why the rule is given there. The use of a, yes, the use of a, it can be used before a word begins with vowel but having consonant sound. Got it? So this is what I would like to tell you. Okay. Okay, so do understand here before the use of a or an, you just pronounce that word, the following word once, twice, thrice, and try to understand what is the beginning sound, whether it is consonant or vowel sound or consonant sound, and then use this. Okay, like here. Yes, let's see again another example. Another example is, just take an example, university. Okay, then again union. Many words, as I told you, many words are there. Okay, in English, having vowel in the beginning but consonant sound. Yes, so look at there, university. When we pronounce, the first sound comes here, university. It's not university, it's university. Yagya ka ya, so that means ya sound is there, and ya is consonant. So here a university. Yes, a university. Then next one, look at the union. Again, look at there, union. It's not union, it's union. Your sound is there again, so same, a is there, a union. So with this example, I just want to tell you that before using a or an, just think about its pronunciation. Okay, the beginning sound, and on the basis of that, use either a or an. Got it? So this is the next one use. Okay, before a word begins with vowel having a consonant sound. Okay, do write fast. Now we see the next one use. It is about the use of, or where the H is silent. There are few words. Okay, actually there are many, not, but just few words are there. बहुत कम शब्द है that begins with H, but the sound of H is silent. Okay, so look at there, before a word, the next one use. Before a word begins with silent H. Okay, silent H. Actually, I have written it in short. Otherwise, we should write like begins with H, but the sound of H is silent. Okay, लेकिन ऐसे कुछ शब्द है, कुछ ही शब्द है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. Okay, there are few words in English which begins with H, but the sound of H is silent. Yes, like honest, honesty, are. Yes, very few words are there. बहुत ही कम शब्द है ऐसे. Okay, so before such words like are, yes, honest man, हम जैसे बोलते हैं honest man. So before them, it's not honest, it's not har, it is are. Sorry, and honest. Okay, so an is used before the word begins with H, silent H. Okay, an is used. Sorry, I said a, but it's not a, it's an. The rule is a is not used. The rule is a is not used before the word begins with silent H. A is not used before the word begins with silent H. जो साइलेंट एच के साथ बिगिन होने वाले शब्द हैं, उनके साथ अ का यूज नहीं होता है. लुक एट आई रिपीट इट. ओके, just few minutes ago I was wrong, okay, but here I do correct myself. It is not used, okay, is not used, is not used before a word begins with silent h. Yes, begins with silent h. That means an is used before the word that begins with silent h. okay, इसमें an का यूज किया जाता है. For example, are, honest, an honest, an honest. Okay, so this way there you have to think about the sound, the beginning sound. I am repeatedly telling you that. Yes, as I am repeatedly telling you that the use of a or an depends on the beginning sound. Okay, whatever the spelling, forget about it. Whether it is with consonant word, consonant, or whether it is alphabet, don't think about it. Just think about its beginning sound. Just think about its beginning sound, and on basis of that, use either a or an. Got it? So this is about silent h, where we have to use an. Okay, next, do write this in your copy. Now the next one is, we use a before the word that refers to all of its kind, its race. मतलब ऐसे शब्द जब उनका यूज उनकी पूरी जाति को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए होता हो. यस, देखो उसका यूज ऐसा है कि बिफोर अ नाउन टू मीन ऑल थिंग्स ऑफ दैट काइंड, ऑफ इट्स काइंड और दैट काइंड. ओके, बिफोर अ वर्ड that means all of its kind. Okay, its kind, all of its kind. That means what? All of its kind means here actually क्या होता है कि sometimes we use a particular noun of something or someone which refers or which talks about its whole race, its all types. So in that case we use a before it. The best one example you know best. Yes, a pen is mightier than a sword. Yes, another example you again know that a dog is a useful animal. Look at the example here. A dog is a faithful animal. Okay, a dog is a faithful animal. Second, a cow is a useful animal. Then again we say third one, an elephant. An elephant is a huge animal. A huge animal. Okay. Again we say a table has 4 legs. A table has 4 legs. Where? Okay, here, fourth one. A table has 4 legs. So look at here in these 4 examples: a table, a dog, a cow, an elephant. These words are actually talking about their kinds, all their kinds. Yes, means here if I say a dog is a faithful animal, that means not about a particular dog but all kinds of dogs. Yes, सारे के सारे dogs उसमें आ गए. So that is what here it means. Before a word that means all of its kind, all of its kind, उसकी जाति की सारी चीजें. Yes, all of its race, उसकी पूरी जाति प्रजाति जो भी है. So when something is mentioned there which is referring to its whole kind, all kind, that time such word carry with it a or an, again the sound, beginning sound. Okay, a or an alphabet, sorry, a or an article. Got it? Same here, look at an elephant. ये एलिफेंट एंड पर्टिकुलर एलिफेंट की बात नहीं हो रही है. ऑल एलिफेंट्स, ओके, इज अ ह्यूज एनिमल. ऑल एलिफेंट. देन अगेन अ काउ. सो हियर काउ मींस नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर काउ बट ऑल ऑफ इट्स काइंड. देन डॉग, देन टेबल. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट द यूज ऑफ अ एंड एन. ओके, गॉट इट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू सी द यूज ऑफ अ or an. Okay, complete? Okay, understood? Very good. Now let's see the another one use. Another one use is before or after. Before or after, actually after such, what, and rather are many. Okay, there are such words like a is used after what, such, rather, and many. Okay, a or an is used, a or an is used, a or an is used to emphasize something or someone. To emphasize something or someone. किसी चीज को फोकस करने के लिए, एम्फेसाइज करने के लिए a or an is used after what, such, rather, and many. Okay. So there are such words in our English like what, such, rather, and many. After them we use a or an to emphasize particular thing or something or someone. Okay, किसी चीज को या किसी व्यक्ति को emphasize करने के लिए, फोकस करने के लिए we use a or an. Okay, let's see example. You will understand it very well with examples. First one is what a bliss. What a bliss. Look at them. What a bliss. After what? Yes, after what? What a day. What a night. What a morning. Why? Just to emphasize, we use a or an after what. Yes, what a cool person he is. Yes, so here after what. Yes, so what an idea. So to emphasize we use a or an after what. Yes, same here. Second is such a good thing it is. Such a good person he was. Such an unforgettable moment it was. So same here, such a yes, such a good person he is. Yes, such a with such words. ऐसे शब्दों के साथ भी हम अ या फिर एन का यूज करते हैं just to emphasize. Look at again next. Third one, rather. Okay, and here rather it is exceptional, we can say, because we can use a or an either before rather or after rather. rather के पहले भी a और an यूज कर सकते हो और उसके बाद भी a या फिर an यूज कर सकते हो. Okay, for example, he helped her out of an unfavorable, or what is that, and okay, unfavorable condition. Okay, so look at there of rather than. Okay, here I forgot that word, rather and. Okay, so look at there in this, he helped her out of rather an unfavorable condition. He helped her out. Yes, he helped her out of an rather an unfavorable condition. So here after rather we can use an, or again as I told you, you can use a also. So it will be he helped her out of a rather unfavorable condition. So if you are using a or an before rather, so they have only a. अगर रादर के पहले अगर अ या एन का यूज करना है तो सिर्फ अ ही आएगा, एन कैन नॉट बी. लेकिन उसके बाद अगर आता है तो द यूज ऑफ एन और अ डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग वर्ड. यस, उसके बाद आने वाला शब्द, इट्स साउंड. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू. हियर अ और एन इज यूज्ड और कैन बी यूज्ड बिफोर और सॉरी आफ्टर द वर्ड्स लाइक what, such, rather and many. Okay, so these are some examples of this type. So here the use of a or an is over. The last thing I would like to tell you, that is what a or an cannot be used. Okay, do write it as a note. Okay, cannot be used before. A or an cannot be used before an abstract or uncountable noun. Okay, an abstract or uncountable noun. Okay, write down this note. A or an cannot be used before abstract and uncountable nouns. Okay, so here the use of a and an is over. In our next video lecture we will see the uses of the. Okay, uses of the definite article. So guys, I hope here you have understood very well the use of a and an. Okay, so keep watching my videos and enjoy the classes. Okay, if you have any query, do write in the comment section. So bye bye, see you soon in our next video lecture. Keep watching and enjoy. Bye bye.